A grammar lesson on helping verbs. A helping verb, or auxiliary verb, is a type of verb which works with the main verb to add more detail to a sentence. There are three main helping verbs in English, and they are to be, to have, and to do. The passive voice is a structure where the object of a sentence performs the action. The structure is object plus verb plus subject. For example, bamboo is eaten by the hippos. A helping verb can be used to express the passive voice for the simple tenses. The burger is eaten by the rat, the present simple tense. The burger was eaten by the rat, the past simple tense. The burger will be eaten by the rat, the future simple tense. A helping verb can be used to express the passive voice for some continuous tenses. The tortoise is being carried by the elephant, the present continuous tense. The tortoise was being carried by the elephant, the past continuous tense. A helping verb can be used to express the passive voice for some perfect tenses. The joyrider has been chased by the police, the present perfect tense. The joyrider had been chased by the police, the past perfect tense. A modal verb plus a helping verb can be used to express the passive voice. The bull field mustn't be entered by ramblers. The bull field shouldn't be entered by ramblers. That's all for now. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.